is a desire within each of us in the deep center of ourselves that we call our heart. We were born with it. It is never completely satisfied, and it never dies. We are often unaware of it, but it is always awake. It is the human desire for love. Every person in this earth yearns to love. Love is the why of life, why we are functioning at all. I'm convinced that love is the fundamental energy of the human spirit, the fuel on which we run, the wellspring of our vitality. Love should come first. It should be the beginning of and the reason for everything.